Good morning and welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to do exercise of lesson number 2, parts of a computer. Okay, so you open your book, ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpener and write it in neat and clean handwriting. So let us start our exercise. First you will see it here and then write it in your book. Okay. After writing all the fill in the blanks, after completing all the fill in the blanks, I'll give you time to write in book. Okay. So let us start. Now there are some hints. Hints means your help box. Means answer is available there. We have to select correct answer and write it here. Okay. So let us start. There are dash main parts of a computer. We have learned how many parts of computer are there. So CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. How many parts are there? Yes, very good. 4 main parts of a computer. The standard keyboard has how many keys? 104 keys. A mouse has dash button on it. How many buttons mouse have? Some mouse are having 2 and some mouse are having 3 buttons on it. So answer is 2 or 3. A dash is used to record our voice into computer. What is used? Like my sound is coming to you. How can I talk? How can you listen? You are listening through a speaker. But I am recording my voice through microphone. So I am going to write here microphone. M-I-C-R-O. Micro. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Okay. Now you can press K key to pause it and write all the fill in the blanks and then again press K key to run that. Okay. I'm moving to the next one. Write T for true statement and F for false. Means what? If the statement is right, okay, if the statement is right, you will write T, and if the statement is wrong, you will write F. Okay. Now what is the statement? The buttons on a keyboard are called keys. Yes, that's why it is known as your keyboard. So what we have to write? T. Dot matrix is a kind of printer. Yes, 3 types of printers are there. Dot matrix, inkjet and your laser printer. So it's true. T. Speakers are used to play sound. Speakers में सुनते हो ना आप अभी भी सुन रहे हो through what? Speakers. So you have to write sorry, true. T. Speakers are used to play sound. True. A printer shows the text on the monitor. Printer से हमें monitor के ऊपर दिखता है या paper के ऊपर? Paper पर. So it's false. So you have to write F. Okay. Now write down T, T, T and then F. If you have not completed your work, press K key. Otherwise, I am going to move to the next section. Now tick the best answer. Now what we have to do? We have to tick the best answer. Now CD stands for compact disc. The printed copy on the paper is called hard copy. A dash helps in playing games and drawing pictures. Mouse. Okay. You have to tick on the word and write down also. Now I am matching keyboard. Where is keyboard? This is keyboard. Where is mouse? This is mouse. Very good. Where are speakers? These are speakers. Where is printer? This is your printer. Now this part. Okay, next part. Here is your monitor. This is your microphone. This is your CPU. And this is your CD. Now what we have to do? We have to fill crossword. So now this is the time for crossword. Okay. Now what we have to do? See, here you can see picture. Now what is this? This CPU. So simply you have to write here C, then P, and then U. Okay. Now what is this? Yes, printer. Now spelling of printer: P R I N T E R, printer. Okay. Now what is this? Keyboard. You have to write the spelling of keyboard here. So what is the spelling of keyboard? K-E. You have already written. What you have to write? K-E-Y. That is key. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Now tell me, what is this? CD. Spelling of CD is C and T. Okay. Now what is this? Speakers. Okay. So spelling of a speaker: S P E A K E R. Okay. Now what is this? Mouse. Spelling of mouse: MU is already written. You have to write U S E. Okay. Then what you have to write? What is this? This is complete computer. Now spelling of computer. Repeat with me. What is the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Now what is this? Yes, monitor. Spelling of monitor: M-O-N-I-T-O-R. T-O-R होता है मॉनिटर की स्पेलिंग, T-E-R नहीं होती, T-O-R, मॉनिटर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? माइक. इसको हम और क्या बोलते हैं? माइक्रोफोन. स्पेलिंग ऑफ माइक्रोफोन: M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E. Microphone. Now we have done with our crossword. What you have to do? You press K key. Okay. So your video will be paused. Write it properly and then move to the next section. Okay. I am moving to the next section. You can pause your video and write down properly. Now what we have to do? Yes, this is interesting work. What is this? Keyboard. Okay. Now there are letters. The thread starts from here and in beads letters are written. So what we have to do? See. K E Y B O A R D. कीबोर्ड. ओके. तो क्या करना है हमें यहाँ? K E Y B O A R and D. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Now this is monitor. कैसे monitor की spelling बनाएंगे? When we click on M, what happened? M is written here. Monitor. O N T, then O and R. So this is your monitor. Do not write monitor here. Monitor is here. Thread यहाँ आ रहा है. ठीक है? Then next is printer. So let us start reading spelling of printer using your thread and beads. P R, then I N T E and R, printer. तो printer यहाँ आ गया. Now spelling of mouse. ढूंढते कहाँ है? M. इसी थ्रेड को पकड़ के चलेंगे हम. M के बाद क्या आया? O U S and E. So mouse here. Okay. Next is your, this is your computer. ढूंढते कहाँ है spelling computer की? C O, then ये thread यहाँ से जा रहा है. M P, देखो कहाँ थ्रेड आ रहा है, नीचे आया. U T E R. ओके. आप क्या करोगे? आप एक पेंसिल लोगे, जो भी बीट रास्ते में आ रहा है थ्रेड पे उसको डार्क करते चलोगे. ठीक है? जैसे के आया तो के ऊपर क्या करोगे? के ऊपर यहाँ पर ऐसा कलर कर दोगे. ठीक है? के बाद कहाँ आया? यहाँ ई, तो उसको ऐसा कलर कर दोगे. फिर वाई. ओके. वाई के बाद क्या आया? यहाँ डी, फिर ओ, then A, then R and then D. So this is the spelling of keyboard. Okay, do it properly and write it properly. If you are not able to complete that, press K key, pause key and then go to the next. So bye bye for now. In next class we are going to start with lesson number 3. How does a computer work? Okay, that will be interesting topic. Do your work. Tell your parents to click the photograph of your work and send it on my personal number. Take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.